Well, I've heard worse.
How did you know?
When Song Tianyong fly high, it means air light, dry, no rain. When they fly low, it means
The air is heavy. Rain is coming.
Yitan Cho. Thank you.